Life runs on molecules built for purpose. Hello, I am Mark from Mentivia. Welcome to this crucial module on macromolecules, the large, complex organic molecules that are absolutely essential for life. Think of them as the fundamental machinery within every living cell. There are four major classes: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Each plays a unique and indispensable role, from providing energy to storing genetic blueprints. Today we'll explore the building blocks, functions, and examples of each. We'll look at how carbohydrates fuel cellular activity, how lipids form protective barriers and store energy, how proteins carry out countless cellular tasks, and how nucleic acids encode and transmit genetic information. Understanding these molecules is key to grasping how life operates at the molecular level. Let's begin with carbohydrates. These are your body's primary source of quick and readily available energy. They're composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms, often in a 1:1 ratio. Their basic building blocks, or monomers, are called monosaccharides, which are simple sugars like glucose. When these monosaccharides link together, they form larger carbohydrate polymers, such as disaccharides and polysaccharides. Beyond energy, carbohydrates also play a structural role. For instance, cellulose, a complex carbohydrate, forms the rigid cell walls of plants, providing essential support. Starch, found in plants like potatoes and grains, is a common energy storage carbohydrate, while glycogen serves a similar role in animals, stored primarily in the liver and muscles. Next, we have lipids, commonly known as fats, oils, and waxes. Unlike other macromolecules, lipids are largely insoluble in water due to their nonpolar nature, While they don't have a true repeating monomer in the same way, their primary building blocks are fatty acids and glycerol, which combine to form triglycerides. Lipids are vital for long-term energy storage, providing more than twice the energy per gram compared to carbohydrates. Beyond energy storage, lipids serve many other critical functions. Phospholipids are the main components of cell membranes, forming a barrier that regulates what enters and exits the cell. Steroids, another type of lipid, include important hormones like estrogen and testosterone, which regulate various physiological processes. They also provide insulation and protection for organs. Proteins are arguably the most versatile macromolecules, performing a vast array of functions in living organisms. Their fundamental building blocks are amino acids, of which there are 20 different types. These amino acids link together via peptide bonds to form long chains called polypeptides. The specific sequence of amino acids dictates how the polypeptide chain will fold into a unique three-dimensional structure, which is crucial for its function. Proteins act as enzymes, catalyzing nearly all biochemical reactions in the cell. They provide structural support, like collagen in connective tissues and keratin in hair and nails. Hemoglobin, a transport protein, carries oxygen in the blood, while antibodies are crucial for the immune system's defense against pathogens. Their diverse functions are directly tied to their complex and specific shapes. Finally, we have nucleic acids, the carriers of genetic information. These macromolecules are polymers made up of repeating monomer units called nucleotides. Each nucleotide consists of three components: a 5-carbon sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. There are two main types of nucleic acids: deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, and ribonucleic acid, or RNA. DNA is the master blueprint of life, storing the long-term genetic instructions for the development and function of all known living organisms. It typically exists as a double helix. RNA, on the other hand, is primarily involved in gene expression and protein synthesis, acting as a messenger, a transporter, and a structural component within the cell. These molecules are fundamental to heredity and the very continuation of life. In summary, carbohydrates provide quick energy and structural support. Lipids offer long-term energy storage and form cell membranes. Proteins perform a vast array of catalytic and structural roles, and nucleic acids are the essential carriers of genetic information. These four macromolecules are the fundamental pillars upon which all biological life is built, each playing a crucial part in the intricate chemistry that defines living organisms. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to visit mentivia.com, where you'll find a wide range of educational e-learnings, videos, and articles, all completely free. It's your go-to resource for deepening your understanding across science, history, and more. And if you'd like to keep learning with us, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more coming your way.